Hey, Scotty.
Good morning, everybody.
We're gonna talk about studs.
I'm listening.
Well, we're obviously not gonna focus on you.
Well,
We're focusing on this guy right here. So, God, my hands do not want to work this morning.
yeah, mine don't either, dude. It's the new up and down in temperature.
All right, trial fitting. That's basically bottomed out. I don't have any sealant or anything on it because we're still cleaning deck. But
That's a pretty stud.
That is gonna be just fine.
Actually,
What's Scotty getting? Are you gonna be Vanna White?
we're gonna highlight this stud, people.
Ooh.
There we go. It's fabulous. I swear to God.
Hallelujah. So, yep, 10 of them came yesterday. Rest should be here. God, I'm hoping by Friday or Monday. But once we have them all, they'll all go in. But Nick's got some cleanup still to finish here.
Yeah.
Take care of a couple little things. The full gasket kit will be here today.
Okay.
I'm going to talk to the customer and say, hey, we have it this far apart. Do you want us to just, because I noticed there's a couple nuts missing on the exhaust manifold. I'm going to just ask them, hey, do you want us to pull that off real quick and reseal it? Because we have the full gasket kit. I mean, we might as well do it. So I'm going to see what they say. Oil filters en route. So God knows when that's coming. But progress. Looking better every day.
Yep.
I mean, that doesn't, but...
I cannot wait to hear this thing run. I've never heard one run before.
Really?
Yep. I've never heard.
You've never experienced a straight 8 in all its glory?
Nope, not once. There's a lot of firsts for me being in California.
I'm just going to leave that at that because we can go into detail that's not good.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, so happy stud. I'm definitely not strong enough with my left hand. But, ow, I caught my freaking pointer finger yesterday.
I saw
or
that,
last night. So that hurts.
So in other words, what you're telling me is you're whining again. Gotcha.
I am whining. That was last night, fixing the dishwasher. Then I
What's her
finally
name?
No, that one's not repairable. That one's always plagued with problems. But the one you plug into the wall,
different
or
story.
replace the main control board, because it actually had a broken solder connection.
Oh wow. Okay.
So I replaced it. Now I have power back into the unit. With that power connection going in and out, it took out the interface board in the door. So I now have power in, but
no power out.
Well, no power to the controls.
Yeah.
So at least it has power. And the interface, the main board thinks it's okay because it's got the LED flashing.
Right.
As it's supposed to be. So I'll probably do a video on that too. So there's going to be appliance repair on our channel, which we have. I have a few appliance repair videos I did.
Nice.
Because you know why? If I fix something and it saves somebody money, I will tell them about it.
Yep, exactly. I agree.
All right. Hey, Scotty, this doesn't look like an Imperial.
No, it doesn't. But
get your booty over there, dear. This is the face of horror. I don't know if it's horror or a whore, but whatever.
more like horror.
And with that,
I will bid you all a wonderful and glorious day.